Have you ever heard a bird that sounds like a chainsaw or a car alarm? Yeah, that's not a joke. It's a real bird called the lyrebird. You see, instead of just copying other birds, the lyrebird can mimic almost any sound it hears. Chainsaws, camera shutters, alarms, even people talking. And the reason is pretty wild. They use these sounds to impress mates during courtship. So while other birds sing cute little songs, this one's out here doing a whole construction site remix. So yeah, it doesn't just sing, it records the entire forest playlist. Subscribe for more interesting videos.